In a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakasakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution. Kapag ka nakita na mayroong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be...
Sir, it can come before or after, sir. It can come before or after.
You cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang batas, Mr. Secretary.
We are operating on...
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very sorry, sir.
Bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said I am not expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Dadagan ang Leader News Update.
Quick question for the Secretary. Secretary, pagdating sa pagbabalik ng pera, tama ba na pwede itong gawing kondisyon sa pagpasok sa Witness Protection Program o pagiging state witness? O hindi ho kasama ang usapin po ng pagbabalik ng pera?
Ang ano ho kasi, ang pagbabalik ng pera, yan po inuutos ng korte. Pero para ho makita natin ang good faith ng isang testigo, isang tanong po yan na binibigay natin sa kanila. Kasi kung gusto ho nila maprotektahan, dapat yung full good faith, isosolid talaga nila. Yun po yung isang test natin sa kanila. Hindi ho, wala ho yun sa patakaran, pero isang test po kung reliable po yung witness o hindi.
Mr. Secretary, palagay ko po yan ang hinihintay ng maraming tao. Kung meron pong mag-state witness, mahalaga na maibalik po yung pera na ninakaw po sa ating bayan.
Opo, salamat po.
Mr. Chairman, just very quickly lang, just to follow up. Very quick. Yes. At doon sa usapin, kasama ba na sa usapin ng good faith, ilalabas niya lahat ng mga accounts niya at ipapaabot sa inyo?
Hanggang sa kaya pong makuha sa testigo, yan po yun talaga mga gusto natin mangyari.
Accounts and amounts.
Opo, kasi may dalawa naman tayong proseso rito. Pwede ho itong hingin sa kanila. Kung di naman nila ibibigay, andyan naman po yung ating Anti-Money Laundering Council na pwede hong mag-freeze ng accounts. At yun lang po, papa-forfeit lang po natin sa Sandigan Bayan pagdating ng panahon.
Willing ba si Ginoong Alcantara ngayon na sasabihin niya sa pag-uusap niya?
Senator Pangilinan, you're limited to one question.
Yes or no lang.
Mamaya na lang tanghali.
Oh, yes or no lang, Mr.
We will ask him. I think that he has signified his willingness to do that already in a prior message to one of the contacts in the Senate. Sir.
And for the record, Mr. President, si Ginoong Alcantara is nodding his head.
Senator Marcoleta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Secretary, a couple of days ago, in the last hearing when you were here, we somehow settled the issue that restitution is not a requisite for an applicant to the WPP. Is that correct?
It's not in the law. But sa akin ko kasi, hindi lang po batas na nagdidictate dito. It's also what is morally right, what is expected of us. Yan po kasi, kahit hindi nilagay sa batas, mga given po yan sa ating lipunan.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Secretary?
Kasi wala nga sa batas yung ano.
Wala nga sa batas.
Yung
Then,
requirements
batas?
for admission to the witness protection. Ang restitution is not part of it.
Yes, it is not.
Oh, pero hindi ho nangangahulugan na hindi namin pwede i-layout yan depending on the case.
Mr. Secretary, I am still in the stage where a particular applicant wishes to apply under that program. And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. Is that correct?
Opo, pero if it's in terms of this case being a financial crime, sir, this is a crime against the financial status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think that it's just right.
Mr. Secretary, are you amending the provision of the law?
No, sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the Witness Protection Program.
As a lawyer, Mr. Secretary, may I ask you, in a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakasakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution, kapag ka nakita na merong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Paano mo sasabihin na magre-restitute ang isang tao? Meron na bang findings kung magkano i-restitute on how it can be restituted? Nag-a-apply pa lang eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh. Kaya nga kinote ni, siguro, ang chairman kanina gusto kong ituloy ito. Sinabi niya, nagpa-interview siya, na goodwill and sincerity should be done para i-test. Pwede ba yung ganito?
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how,
my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am
At
operating...
the arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
are
operating from the
Senator
from
Marcoleta,
the
kindly
vantage
allow the
point of the
results,
reason
sir.
behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So that we can get justice, and justice can only be attained if there is restitution. So that is the principle behind all of these things that we are talking about now.
Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be.
So it can
cannot
come before or after, sir. It can come before or
You
after.
cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh. Huwag
Sir,
po ninyo babaguhin
Sir,
ang batas,
we,
Mr. Secretary.
we are operating on a unique set of facts, and we are, all of these matters are being evaluated because the gravity of this financial crime cannot be underestimated, and that the more assets that we're able to preserve at the outset, the better for our country, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry,
buong
sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I
country
am not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga, hindi ko opinion dito. I am articulating
Then it's your option,
the
sir. It
provision of
it
law.
is what you wish to happen. That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant. It is not in the law. Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before. Hindi ganun eh. Sabi mo na nga, and we admitted, impliedly instituted ang civil liability, but this will come eventually after the court has pronounced kung magkano ibabalik niya, kung meron man. Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Are you done, Senator Marcoleta?